What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. We back at it again with another video today. As y'all can see, I have my phone out. Today we actually about to be testing out the Waze app. I done heard a lot of good things about this app, and I honestly use Google Maps all the time. I haven't actually utilized this app, but this app has a feature where you supposedly are able to see if there's cops on the road. So we about to test this thing out and see if this works and if this can help prevent us guys in these muscle cars from getting tickets and spotting these police on the road, man. So I don't want to take too much of y'all time. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so we about to go ahead and make it do what it do. I'm about to go ahead and turn the app on the Uconnect, and we about to have a little bit of fun. Now I actually, come on Canon, autofocus, there we go, baby. As a matter of fact, let me zoom this boy a little bit, there we go. So look, all right, so now we on the road. So I actually saw I believe it was a school cop right around the corner. So I want to see if this thing is like really accurate or not. So I'm gonna go around. Y'all gonna have to excuse me a little bit, but I just want to see exactly how accurate this is. Like I said, I never used this app before, and look, I'm not trying to teach y'all to do anything wrong. I'm not trying to teach y'all to antagonize cops or anything like that. All I want to do is I just want to see how accurate this app is for all of my muscle car guys, or all my sports car, guys and gals who like to have fun in their cars a little bit. Like I said, I'm pretty much a Google Maps guy, but one of my boys swear by Waze. He swears by this application. So I want to see how accurate this is. Now, I done turned down this residential. Now I'm about to try to find my way up out of this joint real quick and try to see if that police I saw on the other block, if he actually picks up yet. Alright, y'all, so we kind of got lost in the sauce for a little bit, but we back out here. We on this main street. So now I'm about to see how accurate this thing is. As y'all can see, look, hot zone right now, and the view that I have it on right now is I don't have it on hidden. I actually have visible cops, but yeah, okay, so far that one spot I didn't see any police. I'm trying to drive and hold this thing at the same time, but we go see. Like I said, it was an actual police cop car up here somewhere. So I'm about to actually make a left. Wait a minute, hold on, let me make sure this ain't a motorcycle cop in front of us right here. You know what, let me just zoom this down so y'all can, so it won't be blown out and y'all have a better depiction of the road. Alright, so let's see. As y'all can see, we coming up on a cop right here. So you know what, hold up, let me put this camera down. Oh, he ain't. Oh yeah, somebody in there. Yeah, I'm not playing them type of games. So, you know what? Honestly, from what I'm getting right now, the app I think is accurate, but I don't think it actually displays the police car's exact location. I think it's kind of meant to throw you off a little bit, because as y'all saw, there was a police car right there, and I'm definitely not about to go back around and let them see me again. So I'm about to bend this corner. I'm about to bend this corner right now, and we go keep driving a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and circle around a couple more locations, and I just want to, like I said, man, I just want to see how accurate this app is. So far, we 1 for 1 though. We 1 for 1, but it's not to the T of the actual police car location. So we about to go ahead and do a little bit more driving out. I'm about to try to find this other cop car, and we go see how this thing do, man. All right, y'all, so we back on the main road. Now what I did this time is I actually switched to, oh snap, okay, yeah, it's tricky. I don't know what this guy up to right here. I switched to the hidden view. Oh, that's just a dude on the bike. Man, I'm tripping. So it say that a police is right here. You know what? That might be an unmarked. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, man. Alright, y'all, so we go kind of switch it up a little bit. We about to go ahead and take it to a main intersection, because I really want to put this app to the test. Now, if any of y'all out there actually use Waze, go ahead and drop it in comments right now. Let me know your actual experience with the app. Let me know how you use the app. Let me know if I'm actually using the app properly, because basically all I did is I pulled the app up and I switched the visibility in between hidden for the police, and I switched it to visible for the police. Like I said, I don't know if the police have kind of gotten hip to Waze, and they kind of throwing you off with their radar a little bit. That's almost what it seemed like for the most part. Now, it's kind of busy out here. As y'all can see, I'm holding this camera right now, and I'm driving at the same time. So I actually picked up like 2 other police cars on the actual map, but when I drove through the actual locations, I didn't see the car except for that one. So we about to go ahead and take it to this main intersection. As y'all can see, I'm driving down this hill, sun beaming in my face, and we go test it out, man. But like I said, go ahead and drop in the comments. Let me know your experience with the app, and let me know how it works for y'all. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, we coming up on a big intersection, a main intersection right now. We got a red light, but I'm about to go check this out right here. So in this particular shopping center, it says it's supposed to be a police car, but so far I don't see the car. I believe it's an entrance somewhere. So as soon as we hit this right turn, my bad, y'all. As soon as we hit this right turn, I'm actually gonna pull inside of the shopping center, and we gonna see. Cause like I said, man, so far I don't know how I feel about the app and its accuracy. But I like the layout of the app, but it just doesn't seem to be accurate right now at the most part. So as y'all can see, we turning around that corner. I'm about to go inside, hit this right turn real quick. Man, I don't know why it's so busy out today, but it is. And it seemed like usually when I'm out and I'm filming and I'm holding my camera, I pretty much got the road to myself, but it seemed like everybody and their mama is out here today, bruh. But look, check this out. So we coming up. Yeah, I don't know. See, it's kind of throwing you off. Now it's kind of pointing in the other direction, as if the police car might be across the street over there in the Walgreens lot. But I don't see a police car anywhere over here. Hold on, I'm about to just go ahead and pull right over here real quick, and we go do a little bit of peeping. We go see. So as y'all can see, map, Walgreens, but I don't see. Oh, look. See, you know what? It's tricky. See what I'm saying? I think this thing throw you off a little bit. So a cop car just pulled up, but it's not stationary. So I don't know, man. We go ahead and bend a couple more corners, and we go wrap this thing up. All right, y'all. So we back at it, and so far, I don't know how I feel about this little experiment. I really don't know how I feel about this experiment, because the app doesn't really seem to be accurate. You know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. That's the reason why I'm actually doing this experiment. Maybe you guys can, tell me exactly what I need to do to format the app. So go ahead and drop in the comments. Let me know your experience with Waze. Let me know how you use the actual app, and let me know if it actually works for you. Because like I said, maybe I'm gonna say I've been to a couple corners with the camera actually off, just so I can kind of like focus on the road and everything. So I'm gonna say maybe we were about 3 for 7, which is not good at all. Not good at all. It works in some occasions, but certain occasions it definitely doesn't work. Or I don't know, like I said, maybe the police are trying to throw us off a little bit. So that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for this video, for this experiment. I wanted to do something a little bit different. So go ahead and make sure you drop in the comments. Let me know your experience with Waze. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button, smash the thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I drop a video. I appreciate y'all for stopping in today.